Okay, so the tires on my pressure washer here seem to go flat every season, and it's kind of getting annoying. So today I'm going to fix this problem once and for all and do a little experiment at the same time, and of course I'm going to bring you with me. We'll start by getting our valve tool and taking the valve out of the tire. Depending upon your dexterity, it might take you a little bit of time, but at the end of the day, it comes out fairly easily. Go ahead and rotate that valve stem to the top. We've got our core right there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tire and I'm going to fill it up with this stuff right here. Expandable foam. I'll be using Great Stuff brand today. The eagle-eyed viewers out there will notice that I have switched to the other tire because I learned something doing the first tire. Anyhow, go ahead and put the nozzle directly into the valve stem there, and you can see how quickly that fills up that tire. And here's what I learned from doing the first tire. You got to wait until the pressure is solid all the way around. And you got to move very quickly when you put the core back in the valve stem. So here we go. And it can be a little messy, but if you move quickly enough and you actually have your valve stem tool ready, it's not that bad of a deal. Tighten it right back up and everything's good. Now we're just going to let this sit for a while and see how it comes along. I had some other things to do, so I let that tire sit for, I don't know, an hour, hour and a half. You can see everything has solidified now. And the tire itself is pretty solid. Now the trick with expandable foam is you do have to give it oxygen, or rather you have to give it air to allow it to expand. So when it comes back out the valve stem like that, that's kind of a good thing because there is some air getting inside that tire, getting to that foam, helping it have the reaction that it needs to have. But that's it. After several weeks and several uses, these tires are still rock solid. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my little experiment. Well, if you learned something here today, enjoyed this video, or maybe I just saved you from having to do this on your own tire, go ahead and give me that thumbs up like, I'd appreciate it. Consider following us on Instagram, see what we're up to throughout the week between videos, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.